ways to make money with a pickup truck. This video covers some simple ways to make money with a pickup truck even if you had no previous experience. It will surely open up your mind to a few side hustles and have you wondering why you haven't thought of this before. Perchance you want to replace your full-time job and be self-employed. You may be able to reach this goal by using your pickup truck to start your own business. Whether you know it or not, you are sitting on a money maker just by having access or owning a pickup. If you wanted to, you could probably make money every single day using a truck yourself or by renting it out. In this video, you will learn 8 ways to make money with a pickup truck. Before we proceed, please subscribe to our channel and like the video to signal YouTube to increase our viewers. Here are the ways to make money with a pickup truck. Number 1, advertisements on your truck. Allowing companies to use your truck as a means to advertise their business is a good way to make money. Basically, they place ads on your truck, and wherever you drive your truck, people see it. It usually doesn't take any additional efforts on your part. As with everything else, there are some swindle artists out there, so you may want to do your research before you sign up with a company and it turns into a nightmare.
This video is partially sponsored by DelvicsGarden.com, your source for high-quality food supplements and personal care products at low prices. This company has a range of premium products for your health, beauty, and personal care, including organic pine pollen, ceremonial-grade matcha, medicinal herbs, hair dye shampoo, and plant-based protein for weight loss. There are links in the description. Kindly visit their store and use the coupon code FIRST20% to get 20% discount on your first order.
Rapify and Carvertise are 2 companies that have proven to be reputable. You can make up to $452 a month with Rapify, but it depends on how much you drive and how much of your truck is wrapped in their advertisements. Occasionally, Carvertise will have some special promotions that'll pay you $200 a month, but usually you will receive a flat rate of $100 a month to advertise with them. Another option you have with Carvertise is to park your truck in a specific place at specific times and earn $30 per hour. Advertising on your truck is an easy way to make money because you don't have to do a whole lot and can earn cash at the same time you're using your truck for another money-making venture. Number 2, food delivery. There are people making more money delivering food than they ever made on their full-time jobs. This may not happen for everyone, but just the fact that it is a possibility may push you into the direction of making money with your pickup truck by delivering food. Grubhub and Uber Eats are 2 popular food delivery platforms. On average, if you deliver for Grubhub, you will make $12 an hour. However, it could range anywhere from $5 to $25 an hour, depending on the location and the time of day you're working. You can expect to make an average of $14 per hour with Uber Eats. With both of these platforms, you get to keep your tips, so it's difficult to say exactly how much you will make. The advantage of delivering food with a pickup truck is that you can easily organize and deliver larger orders. Number 3, moving and hauling. You should always be able to make money with your pickup truck moving and hauling for individuals or businesses. Someone is looking for this service every day of the week. When you provide moving services, you have the option to make money just as the transportation, or you could also make money as the laborer. You can charge for the services individually or bundle them together. You have the option to advertise your services online or sign up with a platform like GoShare where you can pick the jobs you want, concentrate on making money while they handle things and details like insurance. If you don't want to be bothered with moving people's furniture for fear of damage or other issues, you can haul junk, donated or unwanted items. There are also many moving companies that you can work for as a contractual or as needed basis. There are millions of people that want to move large items but do not own a pickup truck. This could be a very rewarding way for you to make money. Number 4, rent out your truck. If you do not use your truck often, or maybe you are temporarily incapacitated and unable to drive your truck, you have another option. Why not rent out your truck? You can use a platform like Turo or Get Around. Turo is in certain provinces of Canada, Germany, the United Kingdom, and in every state except New York in the United States. You are provided with liability insurance, and there's an extensive list of requirements you must meet before you can rent your truck. Get Around states that you can make $800 a month by renting your truck. However, this platform is not available in as many cities as Turo. Number 5, contract with construction companies. Construction companies are often in need for people to clear their construction or renovation sites. They need someone to haul away rocks, materials, logs, and even dirt. They are required to clean up the site after the construction is finished. They may also need someone to haul away old appliances or cabinets when they do remodels. You can make money with your pickup truck by delivering large items to construction sites. Oftentimes, materials will come in on a large tractor trailer, but it cannot go into certain areas, so they transport the items using a pickup truck. This is where you will come in. Next time you drive by a construction site, just stop and ask someone if they need help from somebody with a pickup truck. Number 6, snow plowing landscaping service. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow is what you'll be saying if you use your pickup truck to make money plowing snow. You may also be able to contract with your local city or government to plow snow. You can advertise to plow large driveways or business parking lots. After the winter is gone, you can use your truck to make money providing landscaping services. Many people need mulch, dirt, rocks, and several other items delivered that they either don't want to put in their automobiles or they are way too big or heavy. It might be a good idea to bundle those services together so you can offer your customers multiple services and make more money in each season. Number 7, appliance and furniture delivery. How many times has someone offered to pay you to pick up some furniture or an appliance that they bought either from a store, online, or a local sale? There's no need for you to wait for someone to ask you. Just start doing your own advertising to make money using your pickup truck. There are several stores that charge their customers additional monies to deliver large appliances and furniture. In most cases, you can charge their customer less and save them money while making some yourself. You can also use your pickup truck to deliver furniture for places like rent-a-centers or estate sales. In some cases, when a customer purchases new appliances and they are delivered damaged or down the road they need repairs, the store will pay you to pick up these items from the customer's house. Number 8, start a towing service. If you already have or are willing to obtain additional equipment needed to use your pickup truck as a tow truck, this can prove to be a real money maker. Vehicles are constantly breaking down on roads and highways and need to be towed to a safe location, a repair shop, or to the customer's home. If you are willing to work on the weekends, you can really cash in because a lot of towing businesses are closed on the weekends, have only emergency hours, and charge an exuberant amount. You will also find people wanting to tow a boat to and from the lake or to transport a car that is drivable, but they have no one to drive it. Thank you for staying with us until the end. Please subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. Remember to hit the bell icon to receive notification when we upload new videos. We welcome your comments below.